Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics and its lesson number 4 Altitudes and Medians of a Triangle. In previous video we have learned about altitudes of a triangle and now we are going to learn about medians of a triangle. So first see definition of medians and then see how to construct medians. Okay. See definition. The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. Observe the figure carefully. In triangle HCF, point D is midpoint of side HC. Segment FD is drawn from vertex F and midpoint D. So, segment FD is a median on the base CH. Okay. Now we will learn how to draw medians of a triangle. So, with the help of these steps of construction, we will draw medians. Let us start with first step. First step is draw triangle ABC. So, first we have to draw triangle ABC. This is our triangle A, B and C. Now second step. Find the midpoint P of side AB and draw segment CP. So first we have to find midpoint of this side AB. So we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this side. You have already learned how to draw perpendicular bisector. So take a compass and take distance more than half of this side in this way and keep pointer on point B and cut an arc this side and this side. Now keep a pointer on point A and cut arc this way. Now we have to join these two points. This is perpendicular bisector and this is midpoint of side AB. This is our point P. This distance and this distance is same. Now draw segment CP. So by joining point C and P, we draw segment CP in this way. This CP is median on the base AB. Okay. Now next step. Find the midpoint Q of side BC. Similar way, we have to find midpoint of side BC. Okay. So take a distance more than half of this side in this way. Then cut an arc below and above of this side in this way. Now keep pointer on point B and cut an arc above and below in this way. Now join these two points. This is midpoint. This is midpoint of side BC. Name this point as Q. Okay. Now draw segment AQ. Means by joining point A and Q, we get segment AQ in this way. See here. Okay, segment AQ. This segment AQ is median on base BC. Next step, find midpoint R of side AC. Similar way, we have to draw perpendicular bisector. So take distance more than half of this side in this way. Okay. Then from point C we cut an arc in this way. Okay. And from point A we have to cut an arc in this way. We extend this arc. Okay. Now join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, we get perpendicular bisector of side AC. Okay, this is perpendicular bisector of side AC, and this is our point R. This R is midpoint of side AC. Okay. Now draw segment BR, means by joining point B and R we get segment BR in this way. Okay, this is segment BR, and this segment BR is median on base AC. Okay, that means segment AQ, segment BR and segment CP are medians of triangle ABC. Observe this figure carefully. These 3 medians are passes through same point. Okay, that means these medians are concurrent. Okay, and their point of concurrence is called centroid. This point of concurrence is called centroid, and it is denoted by G. Okay, in this way we have to draw medians of any triangle. Also note that the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. I hope you understand what is median and how to draw median. Thank you.